Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today I welcome the students of standard 7th to the online classes of computers. In the previous class we have finished our chapter number 1. So now we will move forward to our second chapter, that is MS Excel formula and functions. In your previous classes you all have studied about MS Excel and their basic features. So now we will move further to the another important features of Microsoft Excel, that is formula and functions. So formula and functions are one of the most useful feature of MS Excel program. A formula can be used for simple calculations like adding two numbers or complex calculations needed for accountancy, business, mathematics, etc. It means that what is a formula? So formula is used to perform the calculations, to perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also used for the complex calculations like accountancy, for maintaining the accounts, for business mathematics, etc. So once you learn the basic format of creating a formula, MS Excel does all the calculations for you. It means that there is a format. So once you learn the basic format of how to use the formula feature, then Excel does all the calculations from you. It means that if you want to perform an addition, then you have to learn the format of the formula. It means how the formula feature works. Then only the Excel will do all the calculations for you. A formula in MS Excel starts with the equal sign. It means that everything, a formula feature, it means whichever formula you want to write, it starts with the equal sign. It is a sequence of values, cell references, functions and or operators contained in the cell. It means that the values written, the cell differences. For example, if you want to do the total, if you want to find the percentage of all the subjects, then in sequence you have to select the cells in which the subjects are written. For example, the marks of English, Maths, Gujarati, Hindi, Sanskrit, every subject marks you want to add in the total. Then first you have to select the total, it means the cell in which you want the total. Then with the equal to sign and sum, SUM, sum function is there for addition. And in the opening round brackets, and then you have to select all the cells which you want to perform the addition. It means that the English marks, Maths marks, Science marks, social marks. So the marks of the particular students you have to select in a proper sequence, and then only the addition will be performed. Okay, so it produces new values from the existing values. In these already existing values are there. It means all the subject marks are already presented in your record, in your Excel sheet. So that existing values will be added up and it will produce the new values. It means all the existing values, it means all the subject marks will be get together, it will be added and it will generate a new value in the total column. Okay, now cell references. A cell location in the spreadsheet is referred to as the cell reference. To find a cell reference, simply look at its column and the row position in the spreadsheet. It is the combination of the column letter and the row number, such as A1, B3 or D5. While writing a cell reference, it is noticed that the column letter always comes first. It means that what is a cell references? So the cell references in the spreadsheet is referred to as a cell reference. It means the combination of the row and the column is known as a cell. So the column will be given as an alphabetical order. It means that whenever you will create new column, it will be generated an alphabetical alphabet. It means starting from A and ending to Z. So if already A, B, C column is there and if you have inserted the new column, then the name of that column will be D. So in the alphabetical series, the new columns will be added. So the column will be given a alphabetical number, while the row will be given a numerical number. It means that whether 1, 2, 3 is present and now you want to add another row, then the row number will be 4. So please note that and please remember that the columns are arranged in the alphabetical order while the rows are arranged in the numerical order. Okay, so we can see that simply look at the column and the row position. So the combination of the column letter, it means the column's alphabet and the row number like A1. So A column and 1 row, D3, B column and 3 row. In the same way D15, D column 15 row. So this is the way to write the cell reference. It means that this is known as in this alphabetical and the numerical combination is known as a cell reference. The combination of the column and the row. So it is noticed that the column letter always come first. It means that A, B, C will come first while writing the cell reference. So the column letter will always come first. Okay, so that is our cell references. Now formula can be entered. Now how to use the formula? So using formula can be entered into the formula bar or inside a cell. It means you can write a formula in both two ways. First is you can write it directly in the formula bar, or second is you can write it inside a cell. So the various steps to write a formula are listed below. First is select the cell in which you want the result to be displayed. It means that whether if you want a total, so you have to select the cell in which you want a total of all the subjects, and there you can write the formula. Type equal sign in the formula bar. The second step is you can go to the formula bar from the menu and then type the equal to sign in the formula bar. It will be automatically appear in the selected cell. So first you have to select the cell in which you want the total or in which you want to perform the calculations using the formula. Then you have to type the equal to sign in the formula bar and it will be automatically appear in the selected cell. Third is type the reference of the cell whose result is calculated and the operator sign plus. It means that whether if you want to perform the calculations of A1, it means that A column and 1 row, then you have to select A1. Then which you want, then it means that combination of row and the column. So if you want to perform the addition between two numbers, so in the A1 there is 3 and in the C2 there is 5. So then you have to select both the cells which you want to perform the addition. So first select A1, then use the operator, that is plus sign, and then write C2 and press the enter key. Then you will be able to see the addition of this A1 and C2 cell. The result will be appear in the selected cell. It means which cell you have selected to do the total, the answer will be displayed in that cell. Okay, so I think we will finish up till then. We will study which are the arithmetic operations we can perform using the formula in our next period. Okay students, so we have studied about the introduction of the MS Excel, features of MS Excel. First is formula and second is functions, then cell references and how to use the formula into your MS Excel spreadsheet. Okay students, so now there are following arithmetic operations which are used in the formula, error results. Okay, so about that we will study in our next period. Till then, bye bye, have a great day ahead.